Hi everyone. So, yes, this is a sit down message for tonight because I have just been feeling the energy of being defeated. So, I am sensing that for you. So, I'm talking to someone who I feel like just made a courage to embark on a new journey, to put yourself out there, and it has been quite fruitful for you. It has been, but also it's not without its difficulty, as all things are. Yes, and it's very difficult, I know. So before we do the readings, I just want for us to ground ourselves into the reality, into right here, right now. You can close your eyes if you want to. You can sit in this meditative state with me, or you can choose to also skip if you like. So, inhale. Exhale. So I have this blue moss agate. May this feel your energy with all the goodness. May we get a sense of peace, serenity in this present moment. And help transmute all the difficult energies into something fruitful and beneficial to the person watching this. So let us take it here. Wait. Yes, so it's in there. I want to put it so that you can see it here. Is it too much? Okay, maybe it's not working out the way that I want to. Yeah, there you go. Actually, let's put it that way. Let's put the imperfection of the crystal forward, because I feel like this energy is heavily focused on the imperfections of the journey right now. But I want you to look at that crystal. Well, it's imperfect, but you wouldn't say that it's ugly, right? Its imperfection is what it makes it special. It's what it makes it that specific crystal. So, with that being said, let me pull on my Spirit of the Animals Oracle deck to see what spiritual animal is guiding us in this reading. Wow. This is the first time that this card has come up in this deck for me, it's a personal choice. It says, close your eyes. You can close your eyes as I say the following lines. Close your eyes. What animal do you imagine? What strengths are they known for? What wisdom do they share? Embrace these qualities. That is personal choice. And I feel like this is very telling to what we have, the energy that we have now. I feel a certain sense of groundedness in me. I feel somehow calm down, yeah. Because our journey is unique, and so we have unique spirit animals. We have unique curvatures as crystals. But let me tell you what I am. If you're having a hard time picturing a spirit animal, would it be okay for me to share mine? Well, what I imagine as I close my eyes is this beautiful bird that's sitting on the edge of a branch that is quite not very stable because it's windy. Yeah. And the branch is moving for a bit and it's quite unstable. But the bird 7:21 on the timer. Does that happen? That's my angel number. So this message, I feel like, is very surrounded by angels. You are very surrounded by angels. Let me continue on what I'm saying. And this bird that's sitting or standing on the branch doesn't even move at all, because this bird in particular is a robin. This robin trusts its wings, not the branch she sits on. And so I feel like for this journey, wait a minute. Sorry guys, I cut that off because I had to sit in silence as I waited for my sister to let me be alone. And usually it's not a problem for me when she's around, but for this video specifically, I just really wanted to be alone in my energy. And that could be true for you as well. There's a need here to be completely still and sit with yourself. So let me get back on the picture of the robin. This robin is very beautiful because, yes, it doesn't waver at the strength of the wind around it. It trusts its wings and not the branch she sits on. And this is very aligned in what we are going through right now, on what you are going through right now, because in this uncharted territory, in this uncharted branch that you're sitting on because you chose to embark on a different branch, on a new branch, on a new journey. Maybe you're quite acclimating yourself to your positioning, to your environment, and when things somehow get kind of shaky or windy, we might waver for a bit. But you are this beautiful robin. You already flied once, not even once, twice, thrice, but multiple, countless times you flied, and you're gonna fly again when it gets so windy and shaky that the branch cannot contain you anymore. Yes, because right now we're being called to trust our wings. Yes, take it one breath at a time. That's exactly it. Yeah. Okay. So that is for our Spirits of the Animals oracle. That is quite an interesting poll because it's a personal choice. So you might have a different spirit animal as you choose because it's your choice. But I just gave you an example of a robin, of a bird. So let me pull on some tarot to get us. Oh, I love this. It's Knight of Pentacles. Yes, guys. And I just feel this sense of validation from the universe that you are taking the steps that you have to do. And I put air quotations in that because you don't really have to do anything, right? But you chose to do things because you have a vision for your dream reality, and so you chose to take the stride towards it. You chose to take the strides, and the Knight of Pentacles is a card. If it's not the slowest, it's one of the slowest cards in tarot. And so maybe you feel like nothing's going on, or maybe even not nothing is going on, but maybe you feel like when you take one step forward, you take 3 steps back. So it's even in reverse. But the Knight of Pentacles is actually reaffirming that you're on the right path. You, however slow moving things are for you, whatever you're building is long lasting, is stable, consistent, and solid because it is the Pentacles card. And look at the imagery right here. You are living these nuggets as you go along your journey. You are literally delivering magic to people around you, to the places you go to, just by taking your strides. And you might not see it just yet because you're focused on where you're going, but someday when you look back, you will see how abundant you made the world around you. I can literally feel it in my body right now. you will see just how many people you have changed because you chose to persevere. This is beautiful, you guys. And this is green imagery, and I also got my 2 green decks, which is Spirits of the Animals deck. I don't know if you can see the case clearly, the colors. And the Light Seers Tarot, which is this deck, is also color green. So green could be significant, plants, nature. I even have plants beside me. And green signifies heart chakra, and I'm literally wearing a heart necklace right now. So this is a very heart focused reading for you. And this journey that you're traversing is very heart-led. And I'm proud of you for choosing this path, because do you know how rare that is? Do you know how rare that is? I don't think you fully know, because maybe no one around you tells you how rare that is, because it takes one to know one. And since rare people rarely meet other rare people, they rarely encounter people who will say to them that they are rare. But I am here to tell you that whatever you're doing is phenomenal. It's life-changing is not even gonna cut it. Like, it doesn't even encapsulate the fact that wherever you're going is gonna look like, because you chose to move with your heart. And moving with your heart always leads you to magical encounters. Your heart's not gonna fail you, not ever. Name one circumstance or situation that you have been in that you became destroyed and just outright destructed because you chose to lead with your heart. I bet you can't. And if it's something that haunts you, that destroys you, maybe it's not yet something that you've dealt with your heart. So I don't know why that came up, but maybe that's a message for someone. But that's a whole tangent right there. And I feel like since I'm going on a different topic now, I think the message has ended. Yeah. Let me look at the So snow leopard can be significant because that's at the bottom of the Spirit of the Animals Oracle deck. Okay, that's it. Thank you for being here with me. I literally feel lighter now, so thank you for sharing your energy with me. And even supporting me in this way by experiencing our energies together. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. And if no one told you today already, I love you and I'm so proud of what you do. Yes. Yes, you are imperfect, and that's why I love you. Yes, your journey is imperfect, and that's why we love it. That's why I love this crystal right here. So, this is for my collective. Yes. Okay. Well, that is the end of the reading. Just let me say as well that I am opening my donation account, my PayPal account. So if you want to support this channel and get the message across, you can do so by tipping me. It's not expected, but it's always appreciated. But other than that, I love you, I thank you, and I am looking forward to you. Not even you in your successful state already, but I mean in the end of your journey where you're already successful, but I am already looking forward to you, as in you right now, right here. And if you haven't felt that for yourself yet, then I'll be proud of you. I'll be proud of you for the both of us. Just yet. So I'm yapping in different ways now. I guess this is goodbye already. Again, thank you for being in here, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.